Welcome to our automated tube vending machine production line for tube refrigerators. In this brief 80-second video, we invite you to explore our advanced automatic vending machine, designed specifically for copper tubes. This state-of-the-art equipment allows for precise, automated vending processes that enhance production efficiency and accuracy. The components produced through this process are crucial for the manufacturing of refrigerant condensers, which play a vital role in air conditioning and refrigeration systems. These condensers are essential for effective heat dissipation and improving overall energy efficiency. Key advantages of our automated tube vending machine include significant reductions in labor costs, minimized error rates, and superior production speeds, all while maintaining stringent quality control standards to meet industry requirements. We look forward to the opportunity of collaborating with you and supporting your projects with high quality, reliable components for the condenser manufacturing industry.